We've been taught that there's 3 states of response when fear comes into our world. Fight, flight, or freeze, right? Amazing fun fact. When they did that study where they've told us that that is the 3 responses, the only people who were studied were men. Facts. We have now conditioned our entire society, have told us there's 3 ways to respond to fear. You either fight, or you freeze. And we've based this off of only man psychology. Now, this is not a slay the man situation. That's not, I'm team unity. But I am also feet on the ground, let's look at the facts. When they redid this study when looking at women, they found in times of stress and fear, women do better. Their natural tendency is to gather and nurture in stress and fear. But because of the programming that has been placed upon so many of us, there's this I must fight, flight, or freeze. An invitation, looking at this person, this fear, if we were to begin to welcome it in, look at it as a friend, and nourish that relationship, what might we discover?